In this Alterian Academy video, we'll be introducing you to rules. We'll look at what do rules do, how rules are created, and where to find rules on the platform. First up, what do rules do? Rules are the backbone of Alterian Real-Time CX. In a nutshell, rules track activity by capturing data from one or more channels. They transform and record that data in real time. They drive decision-making based on AI and machine learning, and they initiate responses based on those decisions. A use case can be made up of a single rule or multiple rules. There are three types of rule: tracking rules, conversion rules, and influencer rules. Tracking rules listen to your customer's activity and gather data in real time. Rules can track activity from email, web page visits, mobile app, customer service calls, social media, and more. These rules do not provide actionable decisions back, so they are combined with influencer rules for customer journey orchestration. Conversion rules are a form of tracking rule. They specifically record the all-important conversion activity of your customers when they do something that matters, like making a purchase or a registration. Influencer rules make things happen. They provide a decision from the real-time CX engine in response to a customer's behaviour. This could be web visits combined with customer attributes triggering a promotional pop-up, an abandoned registration triggering an email, a customer's location combined with weather that day triggering a change in the homepage banner, or a customer's satisfaction scores determining their IVR messaging when they call your customer service team. The flexibility of rules makes the possibilities endless. So how do rules do all this? They need to somehow send and receive messages to and from all the channels that they are tracking and influencing. Rules are exposed to the outside world as RESTful Web APIs. An API is a software interface enabling messaging between two systems, like between Alterian Real-Time CX and a website or app. Every time a rule is called, for example when a user visits a tagged web page, a very fast message is sent to the rule. A rule is called using an HTTP request. HTTP is very commonly used on the web and is the way the message is sent. There are a few different types of HTTP request, depending on the message. The rule takes that message and delivers it to the Alterian Real-Time CX platform, which is then able to send an instruction back, most often using code called JSON. We've looked at what rules do, now we'll look at how rules are created. Rules are made from templates. There are over 50 pre-made public templates available, which you can adjust to suit your needs. Or if you need to, new templates can be created by either downloading and adapting a public template, or creating your own from scratch. Templates are constructed using Pentaho Data Integration, or PDI, also called Kettle. This takes place outside the platform in a design environment called Spoon. Templates are combined in a specific order to create a rule. This is an example of a rule called Track Web. Once a template is in a rule, it's called a tile. Tiles are linked together by connectors. The output of one tile is mapped to the input of the next. So we've looked at what rules do, how rules are created. Finally, let's take a look at where to find rules on the platform. To open up the list of rules available on your platform, click on the Rules icon on the home page. You can use the left-hand menu or the icon in the Applications section. From here you can access all rules including public rules and rules specific to your use cases. That's it for this video introducing rules. In later videos, we'll go into more detail on how to build and adjust rules for yourself.